Living in South Louisiana guarantees one thing: water, and lots of it. We get water from everywhere, whether it's from Lake Pontchartrain, the mighty Mississippi, or even from the sky. Dealing with water is a way of life for residents of Kenner. And with the water comes flooding. Even with large-scale improvements in levees and pumping stations, the risk remains for water to rise in our streets and our homes, often unexpectedly. This is why city officials urge residents about the need for flood insurance for both buildings and contents. Now is the time to make sure your flood insurance is up to date, but you may still have questions. Let's start with the basics. What does base flood elevation, or BFE, mean? FEMA defines the base flood elevation as the computed elevation to which the water is anticipated to rise during a flood event with a 1% chance of occurring in any given year, more commonly known as the 100-year flood. The 2018 FEMA Flood Insurance Risk Maps, found on the official City of Kenner website, has the elevation for any address in the city. Remember though, each rain event is different and flooding may vary. Why is my flood insurance different than my neighbor's? Several factors may affect your insurance rate, including flood zone, the elevation of the lowest floor, any previous flooding, other structures on the property, such as garages, and location of air conditioning units, generators, and hot water tanks. Is Zone X a no-flood zone? An X zone has just as much of a chance of flooding as other zones, but the depths may be less. Surprisingly, 20% of all flood claims in the U.S. are made from properties in the X zone. What if I don't have flood insurance? FEMA, the National Flood Insurance Program staff, and Mayor Zahn urge residents to speak with their insurance agents about purchasing flood insurance. The good news is that FEMA's Community Rating System score for Kenner has improved, resulting in lower premiums in both the AE and X flood zones for eligible policies.